What is up, YouTube? Dud Stud back with the NBA 2K14 rebuilding of the Boston Celtics. Game one, or the first game we played, opening day for the Boston Celtics, we ended up winning in a close one. So here we go. We're going to simulate till, I guess we could simulate till the December 3rd and see how we do. Hopefully we get some trade offers, something good happening. Let's change it. Get this done real quick. Make the coach happier. Let's have coach handle it. Chris Humphries is back, which means finally get our starting point guard back. Power forward. Take away Bayless. Give him starting minutes. Let's save those changes. Let's have the scout always handle our scouting. Ooh, a trade offer from the Portland Trail Blazers. Earl Watson and a first-round pick for Jared Sullinger. I have to say I'm going to decline that just because Jared Sullinger is 21 years old and a first-round draft pick from the Trailblazers isn't the best thing in the world. Now, if it was like the Bobcats or something, we'd probably be better off. Do I have enough? No. Since it's offline, I'm going to have to be doing it with no VC earned. Keith Bogans, open rotation. Take away his 5 minutes. Do this. So right now we're 8-12, 3 games behind the Nets. Let's look at some trades. I'm looking to move Jeff Green and Gerald Wallace this one. Anything good? Wow, dang. That's interesting. Jeff Green, Gerald Wallace, and a 2014 pick for Rudy Gay. I'm going to keep that one in the back of my mind. That's a pretty decent trade, having Rudy Gay for a few years just to make a huge impact. Actually, I'm going to take this one with the Denver Nuggets, unless something else comes up like that. Only problem with that is it's locking DeMar DeRozan up for 4 years, and Chuck Hayes, not the best player, locked up for 2 years. Yeah, I think I'm going to go ahead and take the Denver Nuggets trade for Daniel Gallinari and Timothy Mozgov for Gerald Wallace and Jeff Green. See if they'll accept it. And that works, so got some new faces on our team. Chris Humphries is starting. I don't understand why they don't put that there. Give him some minutes. Give Bass some more minutes. Bogans is still hurt. They give some minutes to Timothy. Alright, and then let's go till January 3rd, and then we'll call it good. Thank goodness and not a 5-game losing streak. Hopefully we can bounce back. Have coach handle it. See some wins. Two to 4 weeks losing Rajon Rondo. It's not the best thing. Well, let's just accept that. Get some VC. Okay, I'll take that. Get Brandon Bass off the roster by the end of the year. And there you have it. 6.5 games out. Let's make a final trade before we go with Brandon Bass. Looking to get rid of Brandon Bass. Let's get rid of that Chris Humphries. See what we can get. Zach Randolph, maybe? Nah, he's old. Looking for someone younger. Roy Hibbert, Laval, no. No. Taj Bonner, no. Yeah, I'm going to have to take the... Let's bring Thaddeus Young on our team. 25 years old and not that big, not that huge of a contract. I mean, he's locked up for 2 years, but that's something in the future we can just get rid of real quick. So there you have it. 6.5 games out. We're 13-20. On my next episode, I'll be playing a game. Probably against, let's go with the Denver Nuggets. Alrighty, guys. I guess that's it. You guys have a great day. And I'm out.